If you're a boat owner or a boating enthusiast, you've noticed that a majority of the aluminum and pontoon boat builders now offer options for vinyl flooring. Traditional marine carpet looks great in the dealer showroom, but let's face it, after a season's worth of use, carpet can look terrible and it can make your boat look terrible. Consumers let their voices be heard, and the boat manufacturers are now offering vinyl options that require less maintenance, wear longer, and ultimately help protect the consumer's investment. MariDeck has become the #1 choice in boat flooring, and although MariDeck is used by top-rated boat builders across North America, that's only half of the story. MariDeck is also the product of choice when it's time to give your existing boat the makeover it needs. In today's economy, boat owners are holding on to their boats longer. That means taking better care of their investment. Replacing your existing carpet with MariDeck vinyl flooring is relatively easy and affordable. Your boat's appearance will change immediately and look fantastic. MariDeck offers a wide range of flooring colors and patterns to fit just about any boat owner's taste. Many boat owners tackle their MariDeck installation by themselves. However, another set of hands always makes the project go easier and faster. For aluminum fishing boats, your project may only require removing the existing carpet and seating. On a pontoon project, as shown in this video, your project begins with removing all of the existing furniture, console, railing, perimeter aluminum trim, and finally, the existing carpet. Once the decking is exposed, determine if the existing decking is in good enough condition for reuse. Most pontoons are made using marine or pressure-treated plywood. Look for plywood deterioration, holes, and delamination. Also check for carpet adhesive that remains on the existing plywood. Excessive amounts of adhesive may require scraping or sanding to be removed. Any prominent imperfection in the existing plywood could telegraph through the new MariDeck. In most cases, replacing the existing plywood is required. If you choose to use new 3/4 inch pressure-treated or marine plywood, inspection of the new wood for imperfections is required. Use a premixed joint compound to fill any unsightly knots or imperfections and to smooth over unevenness in plywood joints. Use as little compound as possible. The compound will not provide structural support and should only be used sparingly in limited areas. After the compound has been added and sanded, be certain all of the debris and compound dust is removed from the surface. MariDeck provides specific adhesives for applications over wood boat decks as well as directly over aluminum or fiberglass boats. MariDeck MD 101 latex adhesive is used over wood surfaces, and MD 102 contact adhesive is used on aluminum or fiberglass. Position the MariDeck product on the boat deck by rolling the membrane across the surface. Make certain that the product is centered correctly on the boat and that any extra flooring material hangs over the edge of the boat equally on both sides. Starting at either the front or the rear of the boat, fold the MariDeck product back onto itself, exposing the wood deck underneath. Work in sections approximately 10 feet long by 8 feet wide when applying the MD 101 adhesive. Larger sections may result in the adhesive drying before the flooring can be applied. The MariDeck product must be installed while the MD 101 adhesive is wet. The adhesive is poured out of its container onto the wood. A medium nap paint roller is used to spread the adhesive across the wood surface. MD 101 adhesive is applied at approximately 1 gallon per 100 square feet. When applied correctly, the MD 101 should look like a heavy coat of paint. Do not step in the adhesive and track onto the MariDeck flooring. If you get adhesive on your shoes, remove them. Once the adhesive is applied, immediately apply the MariDeck flooring over the wet adhesive. Take care in applying the flooring to avoid wrinkles or air bubbles. Starting in the middle of the boat and working towards the edges, use a stiff bristle push broom to ensure 100% contact between adhesive and flooring. The same procedure is followed at the other end of the boat. Pull the unadhered MariDeck flooring back to the point where the adhesive begins, following the same application procedures described above. It will take approximately 2 hours for the MD 101 adhesive to begin drying. MariDeck recommends that the adhesive be allowed to dry overnight before starting to reinstall the trim, railing, and furniture. MariDeck recommends using the same type fasteners and attachment methods for the aluminum trim and railing that were used by the boat manufacturer. If new furniture was purchased for the project, the furniture manufacturer will typically supply the appropriate fasteners for attachment. Keeping your MariDeck flooring clean and looking new can be as easy as a spray from a common garden hose. No more ugly food stains or fish stains. No more ground-in sand or dirt. Your MariDeck vinyl flooring will provide years of enjoyment and satisfaction. In the end, your ugly duckling boat will be turned into a beautiful swan and be the envy of the lake. MariDeck, the #1 choice in boat flooring.